Hey guys, in this video we talk about the future of DTF, direct-to-film printing, and why you should be doing DTF, so stay tuned. How you doing guys? This is Josh from Kingdom DTF. Welcome one more time to the channel. This is your first time stopping by. Go ahead, subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button and also click the bell notification so that way you know when we got new videos out there. So guys, I mentioned before the future of DTF, direct to film printing, where it's going, how at least me see it, and why you should be doing DTF and continue doing it. Okay, so first we're going to start with machines wise, okay, because on the market there's many machines these days. You don't know which one to get. Should you go with a dual head printer, or we should stay or go with a converter printer? And many people that are new to the market of DTF, they're coming asking themselves that question: where should I start? Where I go? Where do I get supplies and all that kind of stuff? And that's why we are here for you. Kingdom DTF, as you know, we have been doing DTF supplies for all these years, you know, bringing you premium supplies, inks, the transfer, the powder, the cleaning supplies, software, and all of that, plus this channel with information for you and video tutorials. Okay, so let's start with, if you're new to the market, or let's say that you are already in the market of DTF and you're printing, you already got a converter printer, so you'll be asking yourself, should I stay with this printer because I got more volume now? Should I stay or add another one of the same printer, or should I go with a dual head printer that is more industrial and is more faster? So the answer here is go with the dual head. Okay, so it doesn't matter where you get it. So I'm going to recommend you go with a dual head printer if you have a good market, if you have many customers already buying transfer from you, and you're planning to use it at least 4 days of the week. You're going to continue using it, go with a dual head printer. Why? Because it's going to help you to print faster. It's going to help you produce those transfers in a matter of minutes compared to more minutes, you know, versus the converter printer. The converter printers are good if you want to start doing DTF, if you want to learn and all of that. But when it's coming to production of DTF transfers, many of the converter printers cannot go that far because they are kind of a little bit slower than a dual head printer. So the future of DTF is going to continue growing. So in the market right now in the US, there's so many people that know about DTF, but they're jumping to DTF. So they're coming from sublimation, they're coming from white toner, they're coming from screen printing, they're coming from DTG. That is one of the other methods that in a past year have been growing and was strong, but DTF, I believe, at this point, I believe surpassed those because the flexibility that DTF has. So for example, white toner, DTF transfer are more resistant, you have more washability, and the colors pop up more. Okay, so versus vinyl. The vinyl, you need to cut it and you need to weed it and then press it on the shirt. So this one, you only print it, cure the powder, and you don't have to weed. You have a DTF transfer completely full color versus the vinyl that is one color, or if it's going to be a printed vinyl, it's going to be full color, but always going to feel more plastic in the feel, okay? DTG, I can say it here, it's a balance, but no, DTF is better than DTG because DTG is bound only to one machine that you put the shirts, you put the treatment, and you do the design directly into the garment, okay? You cannot come with the transfers and sell it to your customers unless you have the correct supplies and you have the software that can help you use the DTG machine and produce a DTF transfers, because yes, you can do it. But is the machine is going to be better than this one? For me, no, because this one, if you open it here, you're going to see that it's completely open, so easy to maintenance, and it's completely open. You're going to put the film on a roll and you can continuously printing those transfers versus if you use other machine that is bound to sheets, that's going to, you know, give you more time, you know, printing sheet by sheet versus roll. Okay, that's another point that you need to consider when you're doing the DTF. So that's why, again, if you have the volume, if you have your customers, if you're sending a lot of DTF transfers and you're thinking it, don't think it anymore. Just jump to a dual head printer because it's going to be faster and it's going to help you better manage your printing business, especially the print shops. Don't use a converter printer, to be honest. You need a big machine. So saying this, the future of DTF, I see more companies. Well, let me say this: more recognized brands doing this type of machines, because this one is obviously based overseas. It's going to be based on China, but bigger brands like maybe Epson, Mimaki, on all of that, they're going to start, if not start already, designing their printers to do DTF and put it out on the market, because they're watching. They're in silence, but they continue watching, and they know what people are jumping into to print and what people are buying. So saying that, if you want to go with a dual head printer like this one, you can do it. On our website, we have been selling the dual head 13 inches. This one, for example, is a 17 inches that can be print 12, 13, and 17 inches because the platen is more, the heating platen is more wider, and you can do that roll. Obviously, this one comes in 24 inches too. You know, different companies got their own brands and their own names and all of that. We hope we can start this year working with those too, because believe me, it is not that easy, but you need to, we are actually planning to move to a bigger warehouse, so stay tuned for that. So important to have is premium supplies, premium inks like this one. We sell the white ink, our premium ink. We sell this one with our CMYK, premium films, premium powder, all of that. So comparing, we can say that comparing to other companies, or comparing if you see a cheapest price in other websites, our products are better and are premium. That's why you got to get a good quality white ink, opaque, you know, exquisite, you know, mamma mia, really nice. Okay. So what else? Feature DTF, guys. If you want to start with DTF, you can do it with a converter printer. You know, that printer is going to help you to understand, and also you're going to learn about it, what is DTF, so how to do it and how to do maintenance and all of that. And yes, you can do transfers and you can self transfer, or you can do transfer for yourself and press for the shirts. But when it's come again to the point that you need more power, print faster, you got your own customers on a daily basis, you need to go the route for more faster machine and do an industrial machine, okay? So the medias, how about the medias? So we all know about DTF films. That is the one that we use regular basics to print our designs. But on the market, they're coming new films out there. So they're coming glitter, fine glitter that I'm going to show you in a moment. They're coming golden film, luminous film. There's another one that is based on heat, that once you touch it is getting more colorful. You got the paper that is eco-friendly, and of course the new technology that is coming for DTF is the UV DTF. That one is different from these. The transfers, it still transfers, but instead for garment, it's for hard surfaces like this one. So you can put it on plastic, on glass, and different things that are hard. So instead of maybe doing a mug with sublimation, you can print the UV and you just stick it and you just peel it, and it's going to be super great. So let me show you first the glitter one. So the glitter one, this one, I hope the cam is going to catch this a little bit and don't go out of focus for me. So you can see glitter here, guys. The powder is the same, it's going to melt the same, and you're going to have glitter all over the design. You can see it there. All right, so this one is our regular glitter that you can find on our website, and you can press. We got our second glitter that is a fine glitter, more it's not so chunky like the regular glitter. So this one, I'm not sure if you're going to see it as well over there in the cam. The same, you know, you got your powder cured, you got your design. This design I have shown you before. I have video before of this design. That's why I'm showing it again, because I have not pressed it yet. So I got a video coming up with this one, show you more close the difference between how it's going to look between the regular glitter and also the fine glitter. Golden film that is also coming to the market. You can see it got like gold. It got like coating of gold, and to be honest, I'm not seeing this one how to use it yet because I have not pressed it. But they sent me samples, and you can see the design is completely yellow and gold. So I guess it's going to make it more pop up the color. If it's that, maybe orange or red on all of that. But on black shirt should be looking awesome, you know. So this is one, the other film, and we got here UV DTF that is coming to the market. They sent me just some samples, so let me get close to you. Maybe you can see this one. Maybe I get out of the way, so maybe the cam can catch in that better, hopefully. So basically you print the same, you print, you know, full colors. You print full colors in a film, and then you have a second film that is the one that is going to come up and stick with that. So all of that is coming to the market of DTF, and I know that it's going to be more stuff coming new. The thing is that they don't have it out there yet, but to be honest, it's really exciting, guys. It's really exciting. I'm telling you, if you're thinking to jump to DTF, you should be doing it now. Why? Because there's a percent that of people that know about DTF, but there's more people that they don't know about DTF. And it's a good timing to just jump and learn DTF. See if it's for you, see if it's for your print shop, see if it's for your hobby, see if it's something that you like and you want to doing it and make income of this. But it's really good. So saying this, guys, I think that's my thinking for the future of DTF, where it's going. You know, printers are going to get better. There are already, you know, 3 heads, 4 heads, and I believe soon, who knows if we start seeing 6 heads or 8 heads, because I know for different printing methods they got more heads. So for this one, once they figure out how to use 6 and even 10 heads for doing DTF, poof, it's got to be, that machine is going to be freaking faster, you know. It's going to be so fast that I don't want to think about it, but I just imagine that design coming out like ping, and that's it. You know, right now it's fast, but if you got more heads, it's going to be faster. Okay. So again, if you're new, remember, always do your research. Do research before starting something, and don't wait until the end. You know, if you need to ask us any question for us, or if you go to Facebook group, there's many people there that can answer questions for you. But do your own research, watch the videos to see if it's something for you, if you want to stay with a converter printer, if you want to go with a dual head industrial printer and all of that for your business. And of course, as you can see here, I'm not sure if you've seen it, but it's here. This heat press is going to be soon on a video, so you're going to be watching this one too. They sent us this heat press, so we're going to do testing it out, and it's an automatic heat press. Apparently, when you put it inside, they go down and do everything for you. You know, really nice. Again, guys, my name is Josh from Kingdom DTF. We are here for you guys. We want to thank you for all these years, for your support. When we partners with, we consider when a customer comes to us, we partner with that customers to bring them the best supplies possible, high quality supplies for DTF, the inks, powder, films, and all of that. So we are here for you guys. When you success as a business, as a hobby, and you grow, we're doing it together because we are in a partnership, okay? So that's why we are here, Kingdom DTF, for you guys. So thank you so much, guys. My name is Josh. I will see you in the next video. As always, keep printing, guys. See ya.